Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I put on my wigs and how I style them, and I'm also going to be showing you all the wigs I have. So I know that you guys have been waiting for this video for a long time, but it's finally here. I'm finally going to do it, so just bear with me. But let's go ahead and start. Okay, so first I want to start with my hair. And what I do with my natural hair, let me just get it out. Okay, this is my natural hair. It's a mess right now and it's super puffy. But I just grab some hair oil and I'm using my Faye 4 Had Me at Hibiscus Summer Hair Oil. And I just use a little bit of that all over my hair just to keep it moisturized while I'm wearing my wig. I just wear wigs. I don't really usually wear wigs all the time. I just wear them mostly to go out and stuff. But it's pretty much just to take care of my own hair. Also, so I don't have to dye my own hair. Excuse my hair. Oh my god. But, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part it where I like to usually part my hair. And it's usually to the side. Right there. Okay. And then what I do, it's like really lazy. It's nothing, it's really simple and lazy. It's just the way I do it. But then I just part it towards the middle right here. And just grab 2 pieces of hair. So this piece, and I pretty much just twist it, twist it, twist it. Like that. Put it on this side. Then I just grab a little pin, pin it up. And then with this side, the same. Twist it. Twist it, twist it, twist it. And then I just grab a little bobby pin. And then let me just take the pin out of here, which I'm just using like a regular pin to hold it down. And I pin this side. And that's pretty much it. As you guys can see. The cap, and this is a wig cap I think I got with one of my wigs. Or I think I bought this at Sally's, yeah. And it's just a kind of like, it kind of feels like a stocking, I guess that's what how you say it. Get that out of the frame. But what I'm gonna do is just put it on like that, and I leave some hair out. It's just the best way for me. Okay, and now I use my Got To Be Glued, and I just get this at Walmart. It's a styling spiking gel. So I just put some on the back of my hand like that, just a little bit, and pretty much just use that to brush down and tame my edges. And I just use a toothbrush to brush that down. And if you have like little hairs sticking out, just push it back in. Alright, and once that's laid out, I grab my wig, and I'm just going to show you with this wig since I've been wearing it a lot lately. It's a short blonde wig. I got this at hairstopandshop.com. I'm going to list down the shops, the websites that I get these wigs to. But yeah, let me just brush it out. And I actually cut this wig. So, yeah. But let me show you what I do. I start with the back and I pin it. And then I just guide myself to the front. There's that. Like that. And I line it up. The parting, I line it up with my parting, just so it looks more natural. But I pin the pin. See, let me see if I can show you guys where the pin is. Okay, there's the pin, and I just grab it and I stick it under the wig cap, just for extra security. Okay, so the parting is like that. Okay, and that is pretty much it, you guys. See how it looks already? It just looks more natural. It looks like my hair. I usually play around with it, you know, to make it look a little bit more natural and stuff, but that's pretty much all I do. And you see how the hair I left out makes it look more natural. So there it is. Tell me what you guys think. I know it was a fast tutorial, but that's really what I do. I don't do a lot to my wigs. I pretty much just style them myself. I kind of want to recut this wig just because it looks a little choppy down here, but I really like it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and put on all my wigs. Well, I think I'm just gonna do a haul first, and then I'll try them on at the end of the video so you guys can see them all on me. This is my first wig, and this one is my favorite at the moment. I love blonde hair on me. Sometimes I feel like I look too pale, but I really like this color because of course the ombre. I try to get wigs that are closer to my natural hair color on the roots. That way I can always leave my hair out and it could just look more natural that way. But I got this wig at Hair Stop and Shop. I will link their website down below and their IG. So this is the first wig. Okay, and this wig I got, I think I got it on Amazon. It's the website, I think on Amazon, the store. I got it on Amazon. The store on Amazon is called Charisma Wigs, and it's actually a long, oh my gosh, it's actually a really, well, I got it as a really long wig, but the thing about synthetic wigs is that they get tangled really fast, so I had to cut it and make it like something else. But I still haven't played with it. It looks a little choppy, but I will play around with it, see how I cut it, make it look more like this one. But this is she, and I love this wig. It's super natural looking. It's super thick too, but I'm gonna probably thin it down too, because when you cut it short like this, it makes it look choppy like that because the wig is originally thick. So this is the wig, and I believe this wig cost me $40, I think, with shipping and everything. So I'll list the link for this one down below as well. Okay, and this wig I also got from Hair Stop and Shop, and this was, it originally came with like bigger curls. This wig reminds me, every time I wear it, everybody tells me that I look like Selena, because I think it's because it has like bangs. But I wanted to see how it looked curled, and I don't like it, so I'm probably going to straighten it again. I think it looks better on me straightened anyways, but I will trade on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks on me like this. But this is it. It's pretty long. It's one of my longest wigs. I think it's about 25 inches. So it's nice. I really like it. Also lace front. And I believe this wig cost me, I think, $26. So it was a steal. I love this wig. Okay, on to my next wig. This one's a funky wig. It looks really cute on, but I don't think I'd wear it out just because it's not my cup of tea, but I like it for pictures and stuff. And you guys won't believe where I got this wig. I actually got this wig at the costume shop. It is a costume wig. But I thought it was super cute, and I actually took a picture with this on my Instagram. I'll insert the picture right now. But it's a cute wig. I like it. It's just really curly and really big. I feel like it makes my head look way too big. So maybe what I might do, I might just slim it down so it looks more natural. But for now, I like it for pictures. And this wig was $10. Okay, and of course, last but definitely not least, because I will be ordering more soon, my Rosalie wig. And this was the first wig I wore ever. I love this wig. I especially love it when I curl it, so I might curl it again. And if you guys want to see a video how I curl my wigs, let me know. Then I can make a video for you guys. But this one is called Rosalie, and she is from divatress.com. My first ever wig, and I love it. The quality of this wig is amazing. Everybody tells me it looks super natural, so I love it. Also, lace front. All has the clips and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much all my wigs. So now oh, and this one was $45 with shipping. So now I'm just gonna try them all on for you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.